Number 1, convertible furniture. The pandemic has shifted the way that we use our spaces, and it has forced us to use our homes in more multifunctional ways. Versatility is going to be a common trend going into 2022, as we'll see spaces and interior design pieces have more than one use. Expect to see more convertible furniture used in home interiors for 2022. Number 2, extreme minimalism. While minimalism has become more common in recent years, extreme minimalism is definitely on trend for 2022. Extreme minimalism has been brought on by the need to purge belongings to free up space for daily activities that now have to be accomplished from within the home. In addition to creating space, purging or decluttering is said to help reduce stress. As a result, people are doing away with unnecessary possessions within their homes to feel more at peace and organized. Number 3, curvy furniture and decor. Unlike past trends of clean, really sharp edges and modern lines, we're seeing more rounded shapes in furniture, lighting, and decor. Rounded, more organic shapes add softness to a design. It's not as stark and cold and rigid as those sharp lines. They also make a space feel more comfortable because curved shapes have a more soothing energy. Number 4, natural materials. The use of natural materials has been gaining popularity in the last several years, but in 2022, expect to see them more than ever. Natural materials not only add warmth to a space and bring in a sense of coziness, but they also help to offset the amount of technology that we're being forced to use during this unusual time. Incorporating organic materials in home interiors such as wood, cane, rattan, jute, stone, linen, cotton, wool, etc. will help provide balance in our overly computer-connected lives. Number 5, sustainability. Sustainability has become more talked about in the past couple of years, as being at home and taking a step back from regular life has allowed people to be more conscious of their environmental impacts. In 2022, sustainable or recycled materials will be more and more common. People are beginning to make positive choices for our planet, and sustainability is now a selling feature when it comes to attracting the attention of homeowners and builders. Expect to see furnishings, flooring, and architectural elements that use environmentally friendly materials, such as reclaimed wood, cork, bamboo, jute, glass, recycled plastics, and metals. Number 6, shades of green. Green has been trending for a while, and it continues to be on trend for 2022. Green is calming and soothing. It de-stresses, revitalizes, and is associated with growth and nature. Right now, in a world where we are so enveloped in technology, green helps us to feel more at one with nature. Expect to see olive and other warm shades of green, as well as richer jewel tones being incorporated in 2022 home interiors through furniture, plants, decor, and paint. Number 7, warm toned kitchens. Move over off-white kitchens. Warm tones are in. Now, before you start to comment, I'm not saying all-white kitchens are over. All-white kitchens are a classic and will never really go out of style. However, 2022 is all about adding warmth to the home to make people feel comfortable and cozy. Expect to see a lot more kitchens that embrace warm, natural midtones in their cabinetry, furniture, and decor. Number 8, light colored floors. Light colored hardwood floors will continue to be on trend in 2022 for a few reasons. First, light colors help to make a space feel larger, so it makes complete sense that in a time where a lot of us are banished inside the house and confined to our homes, we'd want to make our surroundings feel more spacious. Secondly, light floors reflect the natural light that comes in from windows and doors and helps to make the light travel around the space, thus making it feel more airy and bright. Third, hardwood flooring is obtained from a domestic resource and is actually one of the most environmentally friendly flooring options, which is very aligned with the trend for sustainability. Lastly, wood flooring is one of the best examples of how to bring natural elements into your home in a beautiful way. Number 9, black accents. Although there is a common theme of natural elements coming into 2022, black accents will be more popular as well. This is likely because of the beautiful contrast they provide against natural wood tones and other organic materials. You can expect to see black being used in furniture, lighting, home decor, trim, doors, walls, ceilings, kitchen appliances, and in some cases, even paint. Number 10, Art Deco patterns. Art Deco patterns are fun and playful, which is something people are all craving after such a long haul of being cut off from connections with family and friends. Art Deco design was originally born after World War I out of newfound optimism, hope for the future, and a willingness to embrace bold new ideas. The style emphasizes functionality, modernism, glamour, and elegance, and is characterized by rich colors, gold, geometric lines, and exaggerated curves. As people reminisce about their old lives and yearn for fun and positive change, we are seeing a comeback of this style, and we can expect to see it show up in wallpaper patterns, textiles, and especially in tiles. And finally, number 11, comfort and durability. Due to spending more time than ever in our homes in 2020 and 2021, comfort and durability became key elements for home interiors. Think about it, without certainty whether we will be able to get back to a regular life, people are embracing the fact that they may have to work from home, school your children from home for several more months. As a result, we will see furniture, textiles, and materials that focus on comfort while being able to withstand more frequent use. For example, that gorgeous coffee table may also become a desk for your kids during the day. We have to have furniture and textiles that are able to grow with us depending on what point of the day that we need them. Okay, friends, these were the top trends coming in 2022. So comment down below the trend that you could see yourself trying at your home. If you want to know my favorite, of course, it's the Art Deco. I love this style. I think it's gorgeous. I'm just obsessed with it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Bye friends!